Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I am very busy this summer doing all kinds of other things. So I thought, I got a little break right now. What can I do? So there's an idea that I came up with. I'm going to be reacting to DJ Vuyo from Namibia. DJ Vuyo is a friend of mine, at least according to me. He's a friend of mine that is in Namibia, big artist out there in Namibia. I don't know how big you guys think he is, but to me, the music that he's making, he's like super big, okay? He's a big guy in the music industry. He has good features with Zambian artists, so you guys from Zambia should know him as well, because he has a song with Your Maps and other guys. It's very hot here, So if you hear the noise in the back, my car is running because it's of the AC. Yo, Chamu, that's the name of the song. Let's get to it. There we go. I wonder if this song has a video. Like I said, guys, this guy is a big guy. Like, you can hear the music, the quality of this music. Like, I encourage you to go check out DJ Vuyo's YouTube page so that you can get to like listen to all his songs. The quality that he's making, the videos, everything is just like on point. Okay, so like a driving song. You know what's funny? Like, when you take time to listen to DJ V, especially you guys from Southern Africa, if you're speaking different languages, like if you take your time to listen to his music, you realize that there are few words that you can understand in his songs. It's weird, but yeah. Hey. It's a good one. It's a good one. I don't know if it has a video because I'm listening to the audio right now. You better know I know no fear. Kandi poki mojo nanga on the foot the tire. Cheki uru kichi boki smoke on the kire. Kandi diri ni malusa. Oyansi misha kandi ambe oji kuchiji. It's me and fly. Like I said, this is like a driving song. Like it's a song that you can listen to when you're driving because the vibe, like you just get lost in the road. Yo, man, that's a beauty. That's a DJ Vuyo all the way from Namibia. You guys should check out his YouTube page. Like I'm telling you guys, this guy is like one of the best out there in Namibia, at least according to what I've heard so far. So I don't think I've dived a lot into the Namibian music space, but from what I have seen, I think he's one of the big guys out there. So I might be wrong, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching this, and I promise you guys this is not gonna be the norm. Okay, this is just like something that I do because I'm on break right now and I'm trying to like pass time. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.